Okay, today we're going to go over how to elevate pads and throw some spot elevations on line works, whatnot, give you an idea on how to do it. So first, let's say we have this building pad here. We want to run a constant elevation. This pad is going to be a 514/80. A couple ways to do that is, I have it on my quick ribbon here is change elevation, but if you don't have that, you just go into the edit tab here, edit elevation. Now you have a couple applications. You have delta, absolute, and undefined. We're going to run absolute elevation. We want it throughout this line. It's a closed line. Go and select it. We have one item selected. Now if you have the text, you can just select that and see how it comes up as a 514/80. Or you just type it in, 514.8. Then you're going to hit apply. I'm going to close that out. How we know that's elevated is we can go into our 3D tab and see that it's elevated. What I do for quick checks is just right click, run on the properties. You can see it has an elevation, shows the length of that line and the elevation of 514/80. And now let's go, say we want to throw some callouts. So here I'm building some keyways for a keystone wall. And this has an elevation on it. We can change it. So now I select that I'm under properties. I can go now from here, I can just go to this pencil. That's the edit tab. And it'll let me edit along this line. I would go into vertical, or I go right click, edit, and it's the same area. Now just to start this, I'm going to start fresh. So now under our vertical tab, it's all zeros. So I want to run what this calls for. So I'm going to throw in the plan sheet. I have georeference behind there, and we see there's 3 callouts, 39, 38. So we're going to go distance along. See how it's running me along that line. So wherever I click, see it's 35 feet along, 8 feet along, but I want it at the very beginning of that line. If I don't know which way the line's running, what I'll do is I'll go right click, station at point, then I'll right click again. Now there's a lot of snap options. You go middle of segment, point snap. I just want end snap. So what that does is see how it highlights right there. It's the very end of that line. I'll click OK. Now that's the station 0. Now I want to type in my elevation for that call out. It's going to be a 512/20. Type in 512/20, save. Now I'm running along, and I want to get right where that one is. So this one's in the middle, so it's just going to be like a running snap. I just get close, snap it. That's 51.05 feet out. At this 38, call out. And I'm just going to do the same elevation here, but I could go, well, let's say this one is a 514. Save. Let's see how it has that call out there. Now we have one more here at the end. Right click, station at point, right click, up to end snap, and there you go. Click it. Okay. Now at our elevation on this one, it's going to be a 514/70. And save. Now you can see we have our 3 callouts on that line. So that line's not going to be flat, it's going to be sloped. If we go into properties, see we're under properties still. See a minimum elevation of 512/20 and the max of 514/70. We want to see that in the air. There's that line elevated. There's our pad that we had elevated at a 514/80. And here's our line. top elevation we want. And now from there we can build out. So that's just a couple quick ways on how to elevate a line. Hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.